Hey, hi everyone. The most welcome in my channel Automation World. Today we'll discuss a very interesting topic of Selenium driver manage dot window. So why how we have to use the driver manage window method in your code. So window is just an interface for managing the current window. So window method in a Selenium will just manage the current window like the size of the window, how to give the position of the window. We have to maximize until the full screen. So this kind of window management we can handle by the window method, or you can say the interface of the window. So we have some certain method under window interface. First is full screen. Once I will use the full screen method in a window interface with Selenium, will increase the size of browser up to the full screen. Like your system full screen, it will increase up to that. So let's see in the code level. We have a class. This is a Eclipse project where we have defined a class with just in open the browser and pass a URL like google.com. So let us see. First of all, we have to run this and see whether it is working correctly or not. Yes, done. It's working. So we have to quit and come to here, and one by one we'll use a method like driver manage window dot full screen. So let's start. Driver dot manage dot window. So you can see once you have get the option of window, you will get the very good documentation from the Selenium. It is saying like the interface of managing the current window, right? It is the clear information. It is an interface for managing the current window. So that is the beauty of Selenium. Documents is very good of the Selenium. So you will get the all information of the method. So we have to use this interface, and the method of the interface we have to use the full screen. And let us see. We have to run this. So now it's entered, and after that you can see the browser screen got increases up to the full screen of the system, right? Let us close this and see some other method. The second method is maximize. That is a too much common method. Most of the people are using this maximize method. So what it will do, it will just maximize your window, like not a full screen but maximum up to the maximum size of the browser, whatever is the maximum browser size in your system. So let's see. We have to command this and instead of writing the full size, we have to use the maximize method. The maximize method you can see in the documentation. Maximize the window, like, are you able to see here? Yes. Maximize the window, current window, if it is not already maximized. If it is already maximized means it will not affect, but if it is not maximized means it will maximize the current window. So let's use this and run the code. Yes, you can see it is maximum up until the maximum window level of your system. It is not a full screen. Full screen means once you have to use here this option, it will make you window as a full screen. So let's close and quit our browser. Okay, we have one more method like getSize. So how it will work, the getSize? So first comment this one, the, use the getSize. And document in the document it is saying like get the size of the current window. This will return the outer window dimension, not just a viewport. So it will just give you the size, like the browser size is there, so how much it is a size in the pixel it will show. So we can print it in a console, so we can able to see. We are going to print this size in your console, and you can mention like window size is, and let us run. Let's come to the console. Yes, window size is this much, it is saying. So that is a use of get size method of window interface. Let's close this one also. We can use the quit option to close, but we want to see the output, that's why we are not closing. We have one more method like setSize. So by the help of this method we can relocate, or we can say this, we can set the size of the window. Set size, and for the size we have to use a dimension class of selenium to define the where we have to, means how much we have to resize of the window. So we have a dimension class here, we have to use this one before using the set size. and here we have to pass the size D. So it will resize your window up to 800 and 480. So let us run and see. Yes, so you can see it is resized up to the 800 and 480. Correct. So that was the use of this. Okay, so we have used the full screen, maximize, getSize, and the setSize. We have some more thing like we can use like get position. So by the help of this method we will get the position of your, suppose I will explain later, just see first. Just run and you will get some output with the position of your, or the position of your window. So see, the position of window is 2045, that is a dimension like of this point. So in the top left corner point is, we will get by the help of position method, we'll get the detail of that point, like that was either 22 and 45. So we can do one more thing. We can first increase your, maximize your windows up to the full screen, then we have to see the get position method. That time it will be 0 0. So let us run. Yes, it's 0 0 because the point of this left top corner is on the coordinate of 0 0. So that's why we are getting the position 0 0. Okay, so this is a brief description about the like manage dot window interface of Selenium. So more about this other topic of Selenium we'll discuss in the upcoming video. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, so that you will get the notification when I will upload this kind of video. So thank you, thanks for watching.